Welcome to my first YouTube video. This will be full day of eating on cut. I will be eating around 2400 calories today. I will be cooking my breakfast soon, but first I will take my body weight and I will show my current physique without any pump or flexing. First part of the breakfast is oatmeal. I'll add 40 grams oats. I'll add 200 grams milk. I prefer making my oatmeal in milk. Tastes better that way, and it gives a little bit more protein as well. Second part of my breakfast is I'll have 3 eggs and around 33 grams of cheese. I'll mix them while I'm cooking the eggs. I put a little bit of oil in, like so. While the eggs are cooking, I usually take my vitamins and creatine. I take every morning D vitamin, magnesium, zinc and creatine.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
after that, I'll mix my eggs a little bit more. Usually add a little bit salt in my oatmeal. And last thing, while I'm waiting for coffee, I usually drink 1 more cup water with my breakfast. Also, I add a little bit salt on my eggs as well. And that's my breakfast. I will be eating this while I wait for coffee, and I'll add calories and macros on the screen somewhere where I can fit them. And yeah, I think I'll show my lunch next. Okay, so second meal of the day will be chicken and rice. I know it sounds boring, but I have noticed that it is best meal for me before I work out, while I'm cutting at least. Okay, so I will have 100 grams of the white rice. Okay, that's exactly 100. And next part is the chicken. I usually air fry it. And then I'll put some seasoning on the chicken so it doesn't taste plain. settings, I'll use 190 Celsius and I'll let it stay there for 12 minutes. This lunch I will eat around 130 grams of chicken, which is around 110 grams cooked chicken, because chicken will lose some weight when you cook it. And I have weighed that it's around that weight, so I'll add that to my lunch. This is the lunch. I mixed the rice with the chicken because I like it that way. I will add calories and the macros next to this meal, and I'll see you when I make my pre-workout drink. After lunch I'll have my pre-workout drink. Today I will take this one. It's push day today. I will do some bench, shoulders and chest. I'll add around 10 grams. And I will show my intra-workout drink when I'm at the gym. So yeah, let's go. Bench day. This is my top set, 112 kilograms for 4 reps. Should be pretty easy. Back up stretch. few lots in press sets. was the workout. Next I will show what I eat as a dinner. Okay, it's dinner time, and the dinner itself is still in the kitchen, but I'll show how I do my sour cream low calorie dip that makes food taste a little bit better. 200 grams of Greek yogurt, and then I add this sour cream dip thing. I'll mix it. So this is my dinner for today. I will eat 2 chicken thighs. I know it's a little bit fattier meat, but I save more calories and my fats for my dinner, so I can eat something a little bit more tastier. And I also made 250 grams of French fries on the air fryer, and I took half of the sour cream dip. I can use it on cucumbers or French fries. And cucumbers, I don't really like check how much I eat it, because it's basically 0 calories, no point. And I will also have 1 protein pudding for the dessert, and rest of the Diet Coke that is left. My dinners are usually the biggest meal of the day, because I'm more hungry around these hours. Last meal of the day, I have 200 grams of skyr and 200 grams of plain quark. Skyr gives the whole mix some taste and protein, and I will also have 1 banana. Macros and calories for this meal will be on the screen. Okay, that was full day of eating. I will put total calories and macros for the day here. And thank you for watching the video. Like, comment and subscribe for more videos.